Samani bafethu, today ngifuna sikhulumeni about into ejule kakhulu bafethu about ama-artist. Esikhathini samanje abanye abantu bathi bona abavalue ama-artist about ama-streams, bavalue artist about impact. But there's something bafethu ehlezi nenza ngisifile engathi mina I don't view music the way abanye abantu beviewa ngakhona. For example, uMaHu une-impact industry of music when it comes to ama-female vocalists now. UZinxumalo une-impact when it comes to ama-female vocalists now. And boyithula abantu laba ba-versatile bafethu. You understand? Akukho lapho uzothi okay benza ipiano or benza i-3 step or benza umaskandi, uyayibona le nto leyo. Apho befika khona noba ngiphi sound, they make sure ukuthi they deliver. Uyabo? So mangibheka ama-streams wabo from YouTube Music to Spotify, you understand, they making ama-waves, you understand, uyayibona le nto leyo. Music wabo bafethu wenza impact, you understand. Music wabo is over ama-million streams, uyayibona. Recently uZinxumalo udrophile i-track yakhe Mama, last time angichecka on Spotify was over 2 million streams on Spotify. I mean on YouTube usadrophile me over 1 million music video wakhe, uyayibona into leyo. I'm not talking about audio, I'm talking about music video wakhe, yabo. So manje mangihlala phansi ngibheka abantu abaningi bathi bona they don't value ama-artist about ama-streams, they value ama-artist about maybe ama-lyrics, abanye about impact akanayo egamini, abanye about ama-hit akanawo. But according to mina into engizibuza yona ukuthi yini into edetermine i-hit kwi-artist. It's not about impact akanayo egamini, it's not about impact yengoma, the way ingoma yenza ngakhona, iphusha ngakhona, or the way ingoma ine-impact ngakhona, or the way ingoma ithandwa ngakhona. For example, if ngiqhathanisa these two artists, yebo lonto le mamba qhathanisa kanje, uyabo uZinxumalo noMaHu, when it comes to ama-streams uZinxumalo uyawina somehow, noMaHu uyawina somehow. Kuma-monthly listeners wabo, kuma-monthly audience wabo walingani, uyabona ukuthi qhude maniki zindala zombili, uyayibona lonto leyo. And then bekhona ama-artist angenayo egamini amatsha, and noma artist la angenayo egamini amatsha awanayo le impact labantu abawu-2 abanayo. And then uzova omunye ezothi hayi noba ukhuluma ngabo bowu-2 but ukhona ubani uNtswembu udlula bona bowu-2, but masibheka ama-views wakhe or masibheka ama-monthly listeners wakhe awafiki kwelizinga laba u2 abakulo, uyayibona lonto leyo. For example ngizoyenza example artist e1, khona artist encane egqobo ngene egamini sokudala, I think na 3 years egamini uthi like nale debut, and ama-streams wakhe agijima almost ugijimisa laba u2 uMaHu noZinxumalo, i-impact akanayo egamini. And ufike abanye bebekhona egamini already, but when it comes to impact uyabadlula when it comes to impact. And abantu abaningi mawuzomthatha umcompare nalama-artist amakhulu egamini, they feel as if like ucindezela ingane, kanti aba-understand ukuthi impact yalo mntana unale impact yalaba abasegamini asikwazi baqhathanisa nalaba angene nabo because bancane kunaye. So ngamanye amagama ngizama ukuthini, ngifuna ukwazi from nina yangithiwa laba abukele le video ukuthi according to wena, like wena ubona music ukuthi in order sibone artist ukuthi ukweliphi izinga, sibona nge-impact or simamela ama-lyrics or simamela ukuthi na how many years segamini. According to wena, just drop a comment unjenje nocabangani, and wena i-game uyiviewa kanjani as individual, ungafaka komunye umuntu, khuluma ngawe. VKS is out.